What we have got to think about is getting the information or the story or the engagement across fairly quickly and fairly succinctly, because we've got to accept that people will be moving from their phone to their tablet to the TV. So one of the problems when we've got lots of different platforms that we're looking at is that we may be taking in less information. So we've always known about perceptual vigilance, which is really about consumers managing equilibrium in their lives. So what advertisers and content creators have got to do is to somehow cut through this, break through this clutter, if you like. And very often, one of the ways that they can do this is by shocking us to get attention, doing something that is maybe different or what we're not expecting. And often that triggers vigilance as well, because they basically filter things out. And we do know that people adapt to their environment. So one of the things we're trying to do is to change people's experience. So they have expectations of a site, and then when they go on it, the experience is somewhat different. Disruption is really a positive and a negative. So very often consumers get annoyed if their lives are being disrupted. If they've gone to a site and they're looking for something in particular, and then their whole process is disrupted by something kind of glaring up in front of them. So that's a problem, that people feel negative about it. But on the other hand, we're going along sort of continuity all the time, and then finding something that disrupts us in a way that, again, grabs our attention, makes us think, makes us look at it, that can be a good thing. The trick is probably to find disruption that people are going to relate to. We've got to be aware that there are lots of different people out there. There are people in different socioeconomic groups, at different ages. And when we can find something that is specific and interesting to those people, we shouldn't be afraid of trying to match the stories with those kinds of people.